Number 9. Which lines from the poem suggest the tree deserves respect? Well, let's revisit our poem because we can find that in the attitude of the poem. Remember when I analyzed the poem with you, we talked about this line right here, a grandmother to us all, that being the metaphor that the tree is a grandmother, and we generally respect our grandparents. So I had wrote right here respect, and that was the attitude of our speaker. So I just wanted to revisit that before answering the question. And then we have something about respect down here again, and that's with our repetition. So the repeated line, the tree in my backyard, has 200 years of history. Since our speaker is repeating this again, we know that that's important, and we know that that attitude is of respect and admiration. She really respects the history of this tree. So with that being said, let's go and look at our answer choices. I'm going to be marking out words that make the answer choice incorrect and focusing on good answer choices before coming up with a correct answer. So A, and she changes her clothes each season, a dress of pink blossoms in the spring. Well, changing her clothes each season and then talking about just the pink blossoms in the spring. Remember, our keyword here is respect. And I don't think the tree changing clothes and just focusing on the spring of pink blossoms shows us that the tree deserves respect. So I'm going to take that off as an answer choice. B, she has scarred wood with intricate designs carved into her face. Okay, this one I'm going to consider because to me the intricate designs carved into her face means that maybe she's aged, she's experienced a lot, and we should respect those who have been through a lot and had life experiences. So I'm going to consider B as a possible choice, but I'm going to see if there's a better one. C, her face looks out to the world, a grandmother to us all. Okay, here's our metaphor, guys. So I'm liking C better than B because we did say, what do we respect? We respect our grandparents, our elders. And that being that metaphor, I really think that this is going to be our strongest choice. But let's consider D. Smell the dew on summer dawns and felt the moist soil at her feet. Again, this one's like A, except now we have the sense of smell. I mean, it's just, there's no signs of respect here. It's that imagery that's used. So going back between B and C, I'm going to say C is our best answer because our key word being respect, and we respect our grandmothers.